Hey, this is Greg Jameson, and I want to show you something today that I think is absolutely going to blow you away. What we're going to do is we're going to go into Midjourney and we're going to prompt it for creating, in this case, a necklace. It's going to be a Nautica necklace with dolphins that are facing each other to form a heart shape. And I'm simply going to enter that prompt. And we can see that it is in the process of creating these images. Now, I kind of like the looks of, well, I like the looks of this one with the actual heart in there. This looks really cute. So I'm going to basically just copy this image. And I'm going to save it. And we'll just save this. And we will call this Dolphins Heart. So this is it's a flat 2D image of something that I may actually want to create a jewelry piece that looks like this. So next I'm going to jump over to Tripo 3D and I am going to upload that image. And we just called it Dolphin's Heart. And from there, we're going to create a three-dimensional representation of this piece of jewelry, which I can now send to someone that is actually capable of manufacturing this for me. Now, I did this actually for a jewelry customer that I had, and I showed them this technique. I was actually working with an awards company last week where they were doing a similar thing for creating unique trophies that they wanted to be able to give to people. So let's zoom up on this. And we can see that we actually have a background going on there, but that's all right. We'll take a look at it. This is now a three-dimensional object. So it's got looks like they just are planning on a piece of stone or something in between the two dolphins, which is fine. We could, make that be red, or we could cut that out. But this is now a three-dimensional object that we can then actually change the format here to an STL file, download this, and create a 3D print out of it. The other thing that we can do is we can now take this image that we created and we can go to a custom GPT that I have created in ChatGPT, and we can simply upload that image, which was Dolphin's Heart. We can put in the same information that we gave Midjourney to create that image in the first place and have it generate for us a actual product description. So we can now put this image on our website. We can, with this product description that it's creating, and sell this product. In just a matter of minutes, we have created an entirely new product that we are capable of selling on our website. That's just one of the many things that we teach in the AI Money Machine program. So if this is something that interests you, go to the AIMoneyMachine.com. That's the AIMoneyMachine.com. Click on the register now button. Our next course starts on Thursday, May 23rd, and I look forward to seeing you in the class.